Unix and Linux, while often confused, have distinct identities. Unix, developed in the 1970s, is a powerful, multi-user operating system primarily used in enterprise environments. It's known for its stability and security, but it's also proprietary, meaning you often have to pay for it. On the other hand, Linux, born in the early 90s, is an open-source alternative inspired by Unix. This means anyone can modify and distribute it, leading to a vibrant community and countless distributions, like Ubuntu and Fedora. While Unix systems are typically found in servers and mainframes, Linux has exploded in popularity, powering everything from smartphones to supercomputers. Both share similar commands and philosophies, but Linux's flexibility and cost-effectiveness make it a favorite for developers and hobbyists alike. So, whether you're a corporate giant or a coding enthusiast, understanding these differences can help you choose the right system for your needs.